Hi, Lily.
Hi, Lily.
What are you doing?
This.
Lily? What are you getting there, miss?
Mommy, Owie.
Oh, that's for Grandma's Owie. What do you want to do today? Do you want to play with toys?
No.
Do you want to play with Ruby?
Okay.
Do you want Grandma to show you where the kitchen is? Where's your kitchen?
And you.
Lily. What are you getting? Lily? Can you say cheese? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Look at Grandma. Hey, little girl, I'm gonna get you. You better run. You better run. You better run. Grandma's getting you. You better run. Hey, where are you running to? Where are you running to? You better come back here. Where is she? Ah, there she is. Where's she going? Where's she going? Hey, where is she going? I'm gonna find her. I'm gonna find her. Oh, I found her. What's your name, little girl?
Cheese.
Your name is Cheese? No, say Lily. Say, I'm Lily.
Lily.
And where's Anthony?
Huh?
Where's Anthony?
And Kukui.
Where's Tata?
Inside.
At school.
Ah!
Where's Dora?
On the side.
What are you doing?
Huh?
Are you getting Grandma's stuff?
And the can.
Oh, what is that?
I can.
Oh, give that to Grandma. Give it to Grandma.
Yeah.
Thank you, baby. What else are you gonna do?
Oh.
What else are you finding?
And the toy.
Do you have a pretty dress on today?
Yeah.
Oh. What is that? Glasses?
Glasses.
Can you put it on your face?
Okay.
Put it on Lily. Oh, look at Lily. Uh-oh, is it stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, put it back. Put it back.
Now why is it secret?
What else are you gonna do? Do you want to sing a song?
Okay.
What are you gonna sing? You gonna sing?
Ruby?
Where's Ruby? Oh, Ruby's up there?
Oh yeah.
Hi, Ruby. You want to dance?
Okay.
Show Grandma how you dance.
And this.
What is it?
This toy.
That's not a toy.
This.
Show me your shoes.
Huh?
Can I see your shoes? Oh, pretty shoes.
It's the phone.
What is it?
Phone.
You talking on the phone?
And this.
Okay, all done.
This.